from Ambeli. Early morning I was disturbed when I heard about Ankita from Jharkhand who has been killed by pouring petrol and being burnt. It was shocking. Definitely she needs justice. Not only justice, I would say fast track justice. As per the demand, what people have been demanding within 15 days. Yes, I would say not even 15 days, let's say even 24 hours. The name Ankita is the victim, the accused name Shahrukh. Will the case be decided based on their names? If that is so, what about the Hathras case? In the Hathras case, the name comes from the majority. The killers are also from the majority. Not only majority, they come up from the high caste system, the Thakurs. And on top they got the audacity to say that what has happened, it has to be forgotten. And to add salt to the wounds, they went on to say that it was supposed to be some honor killing. Oh yes, honor killing. Then what are we talking about? So-called jihad, love jihads. That girl was raped multiple times from UP. Her backbone was broken. She was strangulated with the dupatta, and even an FIR could not be made till 10 days. The question remains, what happened to all the 4 victims? Why is that so much hue and cry was not there in Goa? Was it because based on the caste? Then, was the Jharkhand case of Ankita, the opinions and the emotions were based on the names, that's on the religion? Look at back to our own child, Siddhi Naik. Where is the complete interrogation done to the full stop? Why was there not such hue and cry for Siddhi Naik within Goa, in our domain, whereas we are so much interested and emotionally getting charged for something that has happened beyond our boundaries? It's nice to go beyond boundaries. But where are the emotions among the 17 lakh Goans? So as to say, let us say even the 10 lakh, say the Goans from Goa, bearing a few, where are the others' voices? They have become silent. Was it based on poverty? The matter is not come to a proper closure. With all the circumstantial evidences pointing towards something very fishy in that matter. Are we become such a society that we want our emotions to get charged based on their names, based on their religion, based on their caste? If that is the case, I don't think from my personal view this thing is going to wind up at any point of time, as long as this mindset will continue of us. Why such things are happening here? Every matter, every child, every innocent person's death has to get the emotions out of us. The questions remain at large. Are we a society designed to react as per the caste, religion, poverty, and the names? These multiple questions needs to be answered by the society at large. The same thing. Where are the emotions about when Bilkis Banu's accused Levin has been released prematurely without following proper laws? proper directions from the Supreme Court. Where were the hues and cries? Almost 11 of them, killing 14 of them. And there are no cries to us for their deaths. Not a single person has been even brought to the gallows. Whereas in case of Ankita, we want the victim to be put on gallows. Very fine, beautiful. But why another yardstick when it comes to Bilkis Banu? Again, is it based on their names and the religion? These questions, unless they are answered and we are touched with the humanity, these matters will just go on and on. So let us all come together. In the first place, let us put our house in order. Let us take our own Goan child, Siddhi Naik. Let us all come out to ask for proper justice. It's only when there are enough noises, enough pressure, enough influences, the person is rich, coming from a majority, or is it because of the religion that some things come out, like in case of Sonali Phogat? It shouldn't be so. Everybody needs to get justice. The accused, once has been proved, needs to be put into their places. And the matters where the cases has been hushed up needs to be revived, reopened, and brought to proper justice. Devbara Guru, thank you very much. May God bless all of us. Every soul in Goa, may God bless us.